Hello, and welcome to the SmartSale's point of sale video tutorial series. In this video, we'll be showing you the credit report on the Inventory and Reporting app. To begin, log into the SmartSale Inventory and Reporting application. Next, navigate to Reports and Queries, then click on Credits under Panel C. Here, you can choose to view credits for all customers or for a specific customer. First, I'll select all customers and choose a date range from a few months ago, then click Submit. Now, I'll do the same thing again, but this time I'll select a specific customer. Here you can see the credit bill with all the items listed. At the bottom of the bill, in blue, you can also see any payments that were made on that invoice. It shows the invoice number, the original invoice total, the payment amount made, and the new balance after the payment. You can also click on the minus button to the left of the customer name to hide the item details if needed. And as a reminder, this report can be exported to various formats such as Excel, PDF, and Word. I'll export it to PDF as an example to show you how it looks. And that's it for the credit report. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email or call us. Thank you for watching.